A very lovely good morning to all my dear students. I hope that you all will be fine at your home and you will be taking good care of your health. You know that this pandemic we all are at home and we are working from home, and you all are studying from home. So you should take good care of your health by washing your hands again and again, maintaining social distancing, and if you are going out, so you should wear a face mask and you should cover your nose and your mouth. So in this class we are going to study about a new chapter of maths, that is fractions. What do you mean by fractions? Fractions means apart from the whole. Whole means a complete part. Suppose if I am having an apple, so that apple is a whole, means complete part. And if I will divide that apple into two equal parts, that is known as fraction. We are dividing the apple into two equal parts, that is known as fraction. So let us study more about this chapter. So what is a fraction? A fraction, that is a part of whole, is called a fraction. Here I have taken this circle, means this is only one. It is known as whole, means I am taking this complete. Okay, so it is known as whole. But if I will divide this into two equal parts, it will known as fraction of the whole part. So if I will take this small paper circle and I will fold it into two equal parts, and see, here you can see two different parts, one part and the other part. It means I have made two parts of this one whole. Okay, so it is known as fraction. And see, these two parts, both parts are equal. But if the parts are not equal, we cannot say this is a fraction part. If all the parts are equal, when we will divide, so it is known as fraction. How we will know that it is a fraction or not? When I will overlap one part to other, then you can see only one part. So it is known as fraction. And if I will take one out of these two, it is known as 1/2. Means out of these two parts I have taken one part. It is known as 1/2. Okay, let's have one more example. See, here I am having this biscuit. If I will break it into two parts, so what is this? Can you tell me, is these two parts are equally? Yes, these two parts are divided into two parts, but they are not equal. So we cannot say it is a fraction. Same way, if I will take this spoon and I will break into two parts, so all these two parts are equal? No, these two parts are not equal. And if I am going to take this visiting card, and this visiting card, if I will fold it into two equal parts, then we can say it is a fraction, because this card is divided into two parts. One part is this and the other part is this. So this is two parts. So let's solve some examples. So how we can represent this fraction? First of all, upper part is written as fractional part and down we can write total number of parts. Suppose if I will take example, I have this rectangle shape and there are 1, 2, 3 parts, and out of these 3 parts, this part is shaded, means this part is taken. So how I will write? 1 over, because I have taken this part, in total 3. 1, 2 and 3. If I will take this circle and I have divided this into two parts and this part is shaded. So how I will write? It will be written as 1 over 2. This part it is fractional part and 2 makes number of parts. This is 1 and this is 2. So in the same way you can complete your exercise 9.1 and 9.2.